Hi everyone, how's it going? It's been quite some time that we talked about Bitcoin on our videos, and although we've been updating this analysis on our Telegram channel, we really didn't have the time to record the video for you. So here we are updating our video analysis and giving you new insights on how Bitcoin might be moving in near future and long term. So our last update was about a month ago, and we told you that price needed to move and play in this box like this and come up, or go straight up inside our channel and finish its move and either go up to higher levels, which was unlikely, or come down to lower levels to find new buyers. Let's see how things turned out for Bitcoin after our analysis. So first we went to the top of the box, and this is where exactly we were careful with new buy orders, and we were actually getting ready to short Bitcoin to lower levels. Let's see what happened. After Bitcoin touching our channel, it got rejected to lower levels, and it kept going up, down and down until it found new buyers. This is where we started our new analysis, and step by step we tried to understand how price was going and updated in our Telegram channel. As you can see, the price was moving and trying to find new buyers around here, and once the buyers were found, it has started its recovery. You should know that we update the analysis on our Telegram channel on daily basis, and a lot of new insights are shared on Bitcoin. Now, after touching our buy zone, finally the liquidity below this level was completely grabbed and Bitcoin started its recovery. You should know that we applied the same method of analysis on this coin as well, and right now we have the latest update for you on Bitcoin. Okay, enough with following the price to the letter, and let's talk about the possible scenarios on lower time frames for Bitcoin. So after growing for more than 20% when price touched our entry zone, and after trading inside these patterns for our VIP members, we have reached a point that we need to understand what Bitcoin is going to do next. As you know, with Trump taking over the White House, market could go crypto friendly, and we may see a lot of growth happening in crypto market. For this reason, our overall analysis on lower time frame is bullish, but finding the exact return point is very important. As you have noticed, there is a lot of games being played by market makers in order to kick retail traders out of the game before price could actually make its big move. So our expectation is for the price to come down to lower levels and gather new buyers around here before going up, and it could happen from this zone, first scenario, or it could happen from this zone, the second scenario. Now, on the way back, if price goes below 94.5 level, in this case Bitcoin has lost its momentum, then we are not bullish on it anymore. But if it can hold above this zone, then from here or from here we are going to ride the price of Bitcoin to higher levels. And this depends on the reaction that we get from these levels. Now, on this correctional pattern, if price goes right from here to higher levels and breaks above 114K, in that case, this correctional pattern is failed, and we can say Bitcoin is on a new discovery price to higher levels. So keep an eye on these invalidation levels, okay? So if price goes up from this zone, then market is super bullish. We don't see any corrections anytime soon. And if it goes below this, we are not bullish on the price of Bitcoin anymore. And the best case scenario is to put some buy orders perhaps around these levels. Or if you're very conservative, wait for it to come to lower prices. We normally put on setups on our Telegram channel, so it might be better to follow us there for detailed signals. Now, enough with lower time frame analysis, and let's go and take a look at higher time frames to understand how Bitcoin is going to move in the coming weeks. Okay, so I got the chart ready for you here. In order to understand what's going to happen to Bitcoin in near future, we need to go to higher time frames to understand what's going on. So we had this analysis published a few weeks back in our Telegram channel, and we told our members that if price can visit the bottom of this box, then we can expect it to grow to higher levels. And right now, as you can see, we got our entry on this beautiful analysis, and price showed recovery even on higher time frames and has been going up for almost 20%. Now, the main goal of this move on higher time frames is around $125,000, and that's where we believe wave E of this complex pattern will finish. Now, the big picture is that Bitcoin is going to make another all-time high before it can form a formidable retracement to lower levels. And it's only a matter of time that it can break out of this box to go and visit higher levels. So if you're a holder, then keep an eye on the invalidation we shared on the lower time frames. And if it goes below 94K level, then it's better to get out of your Bitcoins. But if you have bought from the bottom levels, then maybe you can hold for a little bit more profit to get rid of your Bitcoins at these levels. But what is clear is that for a few months, we are going to see some bullish momentum in the market before we see a formidable correction coming down to lower levels. And our guess is that this zone is going to be the zone that a lot of alts are going to grow, and we may see an alt party soon happening in the crypto market. Until then, we will keep our focus on lower time frame, and we will try to trade as much as we can on lower time frames and buy and sell every chance that we get in order to make profit. So keep an eye on these important levels, especially the invalidation levels, and try to enjoy trading. So that's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. And if you have any questions, write down in the comments and we will get back to your questions as soon as possible. Until our next update, stay safe and have fun.